Welcome to Vention Tips. Today we'll be covering the application checker in MachineLogic. The application checker is a system that automatically scans your MachineLogic program and notifies the user of any errors that exist that would normally prevent the program from running properly. For this video, we have here a pick-and-place inspection station with a pre-built MachineLogic program. In it, we'll see the 3 most common errors found with the application checker and how to fix them. To get started, we'll switch over to MachineLogic and navigate to the Visual Sequence tab. You'll notice here a few error notifications in the sequence pane on the left, in the main window in the center, and even in the Visual Sequence tab itself. These are notifications from the application checker indicating that there are sections in the program that need to be fixed prior to deployment. To see what the errors are and how to fix them, we'll click on the Warnings tab in the pane on the left. Selecting each message will highlight the error in the program as well as propose solutions to fix it. We'll begin with a warning indicating that there is a missing associated actuator. Seeing that we're in our inspection child sequence, we should know that it's our rotary actuator that is missing its configuration. To fix this, we'll select the second prompt to bring us to the Configuration tab where we can reconfigure our rotary actuator. Once complete, navigate back to the sequence via the window or the tab at the top and reassign our newly configured actuator to the command. Switching over to the Warnings tab, you'll see that the error message has been cleared and that portion of the program has been fixed and is ready to go. With this complete, we'll move on to the second most common error, a missing associated sequence. Clicking on the error message brings us to the main program where we see that it's missing a child sequence titled Home Rotary. This means that we'll have to create a new sequence in its place. Selecting the second proposed solution will bring us back to the Visual Sequence editor and highlight in blinking green the tile we will need to select. We'll create a new child sequence, title it Home Rotary Actuator, and then add the command to send it to its home position. Once done, we'll go back to the warning message and select our newly created sequence from the drop-down menu to fix the error. With this complete, we have one final error, a missing input. Clicking on the final warning will bring us to the error location to see where the input is missing. As we have no other configured inputs, the drop-down menu will be empty. To fix this, we'll follow the instructions in the warning message and create a new input in our configuration page, selecting the proper sensor from the drop-down menu. Once complete, we'll navigate back to the command in question and select the newly created input to fix the warning. With no other warnings, we can go back to our main sequence to play our program. And with that, we've covered the basics of the application checker in MachineLogic. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!